Before you join a computer to a domain, you should first create a computer object in the appropriate OU. To join a computer to an ADDS domain, you must meet 3 conditions. You must have appropriate permissions on the computer object that allow you to join a physical computer with the same name to the domain. You must be a member of the local administrators group on the computer. This allows you to change the computer's domain or workgroup membership. You must not have exceeded the maximum number of computer accounts that you can add to the domain. By default, users can add a maximum of 10 computers to the domain. This value is known as the machine account quota and is controlled by the MSDS machine quota value. You can modify this value by using the Active Directory Services Interfaces Editor, ADSI Edit, Snap-in. Note, we recommend that you pre-create the computer account in the correct OU prior to joining the computer to the domain. This allows the computer to receive the appropriate group policies immediately. If you do not pre-create the computer account will be created in the computer's container. Delegating permissions. By default, the enterprise admins, domain admins, administrators, and account operators groups have permission to create computer objects in any new OU. However, as discussed earlier, we recommend that you tightly restrict membership in the first 3 groups. In addition, we recommend that you not add users who are members of the enterprise admins, domain admins, or administrators groups to the account operators group. Instead, you should delegate the permission to create computer objects to appropriate administrators or support personnel. This permission, which you assign to the group to which you are delegating administration, allows group members to create computer objects in a specified OU. For example, you might allow your desktop support team to create computer objects in the client's OU, and allow your file server administrators to create computer objects in the file server's OU. To delegate permissions to create computer accounts, you can use the Delegation of Control wizard to choose a custom task to delegate. When you delegate permissions to manage computer accounts, you might consider granting additional permissions beyond those required to create computer accounts. For example, you might decide to allow a delegated administrator to manage the properties of existing computer accounts, to delete the computer account, or to move the computer account.